Checking out the Civivi knife. Really cool one. Comes in a box, of course. Open that box up. We get a nylon pouch with the zipper. There's like a fur material inside. With every Civivi, you get a pocket knife sticker, which is pretty cool. You get their logo sticker, warranty information, catalog, and a microfiber cloth with their logo on it. That's pretty neat. Then, of course, the knife. And I think the shape of this one is awesome. The material on this one is great. Overall shape is impressive. And it's that crossbar safe lock, so real easy to close with those ceramic bearings, real easy to open. This one could be in the contender for my new everyday carry. Really like the look of this one. It uses tip-up carry, and it looks like you can flip the clip to either side. Real easy to close, real easy to open, with this nice belly on this. This is a sheep's foot blade. Gonna make it real easy to cut. I think this one looks great. Hit it out of the park with this one, Civivi. Hope this helps.